30-minute workouts, 20-minute recipes, 10-minute mindfulness. Ready to become? Get Feel on the App Store or Google Play. Hi, I'm Joanna Soh. Today's workout is going to be a really fun one. It's going to be a core, cardio and plank HIIT workout. So we want to be working on your abs, but at the same time, we want to increase your heart rate by doing explosive movements. It's going to get you sweating and your core will be on fire. So try to keep up. There will be 4 exercises for each circuit. So we want to start with an ab workout and then to a plank, cardio, and end it with an active rest, okay? So a total of 3 circuits. Let's get straight down onto the mat for the first workout, which is going to be a knee to V tucks, all right? So place your palms facing forward, legs straight. What I want you to do is drive your knees close to your chest, keep it straight, and into a V tucks, all right? 30 seconds for each exercise. Good. Straight in and up. Good. There you go. So you should feel your lower abs as well as your upper abs. Start easy. This is only the beginning of your workout. Good. So drive your upper body close to your knees as well. In, straight up, and in, and straight up. Okay. So straight into plank, and we want to be doing plank jacks, all right? So get into a high plank. Let's hop out and in. Let's go. Hop out and in. Good. As wide as you can, and drive both legs back in together. Strong plank, okay? And just look straight onto the floor and breathe. Keep going. Feel the work on your core and your heart rate slowly increasing. All right, let's get up. Okay, this is going to be a fun one. Explosive cardio, jumping lunges, okay? So, start on your right side, explode to your left and to your right. Good, keep going. If this is too tough, beginners, you can always do alternating lunges. Woo! It's going to be a killer. Let's go. Up and down, up and down. And after this, you're going to have an active rest. Good. Last few more. Last one more. And good. Let's get down into a plank. Active stretch. Reach forward. Open up the hip flexor. Back. Left, open up the hip flexor, straight back, and just stretch it, okay? 30 seconds, alternating between right and left. Good. And now let's just raise your right hand up, back down, step back, up, and good. Few more. Feel that deep stretch on your hip flexor. Up, down, and straight into knee to V tucks. Okay, get back down onto the mat, okay? Just support your upper body using your arms. Let's go. Knee, V tucks. Woo! I can already feel my heart rate raising. Good, up and straight. This is only the first circuit, okay? Stay with me. Straight legs. Tuck it in. Drive your chest close. Up. And straight into plank jacks. Okay, 10 seconds break. Breathe. It's your precious 10 seconds. And let's go. Out and in. Remember to pace your breathing, find your rhythm. Keep going. Smile, okay? You are doing good. Last few more. Stay strong, and we want to get back onto our feet. All right, get back up. Okay, beginners, if you are struggling with jumping lunges, what you can do is alternating lunges, okay? So step back, step forward, and change side, okay? This is an option. If this is too easy, then of course, by all means, get into jumping lunges. Explode and explode. Good. Whew. Halfway there. Drive it up. Push through your heels. Up. Feel your thighs burning. Last two more. Last one more. Get down into a plank. Hip flexor stretch, okay? This is probably your favorite part. So open up. Let's go. Plank. Left side. Take this moment to just stretch up and bring your heart rate down slightly, okay? This is the end of your first circuit, and we want to move into the second circuit. Up, back down, stretch up, down, good. You're going to get a 40 seconds rest. All right, awesome. Grab some water. It's always very important to keep yourself hydrated. Whew. My heart rate is just up right now, it's high. But I'm feeling really good. Okay, second circuit, again, we want to start by working on your abs, all right? So just lie down. The first workout is going to be bicycle crunches, okay? So place both hands close to your head, all right? And ready? Let's twist and drive your right knee to your left elbow, okay? Crunch it, just like you're cycling a bicycle, all right? Keep going. Feel your obliques. Breathe out as you come up. Okay, do not pull your head. Just gently support your neck. Last one more. All right, get up. Now it's on to Spider-Man plank. Still working on your obliques. All right, let's go. Stay with me. I told you, it's not going to be easy, but it's going to be awesome. You're going to really feel the work that you have put in. Keep going, crunch it, drive your knee close to your elbow. Feel the squeeze on your obliques. Good. Okay, as far as you can, crunch. And right after this, let's get back onto your feet. 180-degree squat jump. Another explosive movement. So let's start on your right side, okay? Squat, jump, and rotate. Jump and rotate. Remember to drive your butt down, all right? Butt down, drive, and hop. Power up using your quads, your glutes, and everything in you. Last few more. Give me two more. Last one more. Just rest it out. Okay, let's get into some side stretch, okay? So just drop to your left and drop to your right, okay? Tap down if you want to. And this is your active recovery. Drop and just feel the stretch on your quads and your inner thighs. Good, drop it, breathe, tap, and up, okay? Keep it flowing. And breathe. Take this precious 30 seconds to just breathe. Good. Tap. Last one. Tap. And now let's get back down onto the floor. Bicycle crunches. Trust me, I feel the struggle as much as you do. Okay, crunch it up and twist. When I'm not talking, you know that I'm struggling. But you know what? If I don't stop, you don't stop, okay? Just keep going. We don't stop right now. We stop when we're done, not when we're tired. Okay, team strong, let's keep going. Up, Spider-Man plank. Oh, quick transition, no time to waste. All right, into a high plank. Ready? Let's go. Drive your knee close to your elbow. Okay, if you can, tap and tap. Good. Keep going. Halfway there. And right after this, it's going to be an explosive cardio workout. Oh, okay. Wipe your sweat. All right, let's start on our right side this time, okay? We want to explode and hop to the other side. Let's go. Hop, hop. Good. Explode. Use the power from your heels. Push, squat low, drive it up, okay? Always remember to keep your knees bent. Do not land with your knees straight, okay? Squat down, drive down, and up. You have 2 more. Last one. And stretch it out. Okay, good. Side stretch, okay? So lunge to your side, stretch it out, and to the other side. If you want to, you can point your toes out. Point it out, feel your glutes stretched, and your inner thighs, okay? Stretch it. Good. Keep moving. Very good. Tighten your core. Look straight ahead, okay? And this is the end of your second circuit. Short rest, straight onto the third circuit. Okay, 40 seconds rest. If your heart rate is pumping, let me know in the comments below, okay? Final circuit, 2 down, 1 more to go. You got this. With this, just do it. All right. Okay, now let's get back down onto the mat. Again, starting on our core. Reverse crunches. I want you to place both hands just by your side, all right? And keep your legs straight. And now let's raise it up. Lift your butt off slightly, control it back down, up, butt off, and back down. The work should be on your lower abdominals. Up, control it, okay? Don't just let your legs drop. Up and control, nice and control, back down, and up. Good. Keep going. Last few more. And plank. Plank, up, down. All right, this is going to work more on your shoulders as well as your arms. Okay, let's start from a low plank and back up, down, and now on the left side, down, and alternating on the right side and back, down. So left, push, left, down, right, push, and right, down, okay? Good. Keeping your body straight. Avoid swaying from left to right. This is wrong. So keep your body firm and push yourself back up using the strength from your core and your upper body. Okay, let's get up. All right, plank to hip thruster. So from a plank, what I want you to do is hop, release your hands, and get into a squat, okay? Back into a plank and a squat thrust. All right, good. Hop back, plank, and squat thrust. Beginners, if this is too difficult, what you can do is step in and lift yourself straight up. If not, hop in, release, hop back, hop in, and release, okay? Let's go. Bring it up, back down, and up. And, okay, final stretch. Plank to downward dog, okay? So let's start in a high plank and get into a downward dog. Active recovery. Back into plank, and downward dog. Try to bring your heels close to the floor. If you're struggling, then you can always start tiptoe. Plank, downward dog, push through, feel your back being stretched out. Plank, and last one, downward dog, and good. Second round. Oh my God, let's slide straight down, and it's going to be a leg raise, okay? So, arms by your side, and lift your butt off slightly. Up, push it off, and control it back down. Up, lift it off, feel the squeeze on your lower abs. Crunch it, and push it up. Good. Just a very small but effective movement. Up, control, last one, control, and back up, okay? Plank, up, down. This is actually one of my favorite plank variations. Okay, start in a low plank. Let's start on our right side, okay? Good. Alternating on your left. Back down and up. Remember, avoid swaying your hips too much. Up and down. Don't just collapse, control every single move. Push up and down. You are strong, okay? Last one more. Back down and just rest for a little while. Plank to squat thruster, okay? All right, let's get into a high plank. Let's go. Hop in and out. Back. Drive your heart rate up. This is your last chance to drive it up. Good. Plank. Squat thruster. Keep going. You're halfway there. Speed it up. Let's go. As many as you can in the last 10 seconds, okay? Let's go. Keep going. A few more. And good. Final dynamic stretch. Plank to downward dog. Okay? You are almost there. Plank, downward dog. Just slowly bring your heart rate back down. Plank. And downward dog. Really push through your heels and push into your palms. Last one, plank. Downward dog. You're done. High five, amazing effort. When do I ever leave you not sweating? If you are pouring like me, and if your heart is still pumping, let me know in the comments below, okay? Do this workout consistently at least 2 to 3 times weekly, and trust me, you will start to feel the difference on your body as well as strength from your core and your total body, okay? So be sure to combine this workout with my other workouts on my YouTube channel. Do check out other workout challenges, recipes, and also fitness tips on my YouTube channel. And remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and most importantly, guys, is to turn on your notification button so that you will get notified every time I upload a new video. All the best.